Are these money mistakes secretly keeping you broke? If you're struggling financially, chances are you're making at least one of these mistakes. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to fix them. And stick around to the end because I've got a bonus tip that can help you build tax free retirement income. First, most people wait until the end of the month to save whatever is left. And let's be real, usually there's little to nothing left. But wealthy people pay themselves first, which means they take the money for savings and investing before spending. And this simple shift forces you to live on what's left. And over time, that builds wealth. So set up an automatic transfer to savings and watch your money grow. Second, no emergency fund. This is a bad idea. So there is no problem in life that isn't made easier with a chunk of cash. Unexpected car repairs, medical bills, job loss, life happens. Without an emergency fund, you're forced to rely on credit cards, and that debt cycle will keep you broke. So aim for at least 3 months of expenses in a high yield savings account. Next, you don't know your numbers. So tell me, how much do you make every month? How much do you actually spend? If you don't know these numbers, you're driving blind. So imagine trying to use a map without knowing your starting point or your destination. You need to track your income, expenses, and financial goals. A simple budgeting app or spreadsheet can change everything. Next, stop being okay with debt. Credit cards pretend to be your friend with cash back and rewards, but in reality, they're robbing you. The average interest rate right now is over 20%. And if you carry a balance, those little purchases cost way more than you think. So focus on paying off the high interest debt as fast as possible and don't fall into the minimum payment trap. The biggest mistake I see is waiting to invest. The longer you wait, the more you have to save to reach the same goal. Why? Because compound interest works best over time. So investing just $200 a month in your 20s can grow into $1 million retirement. But if you wait until your 40s, you have to save 4 times as much to get the same result. So start today, even if it's small. Then there's expensive hobbies and not focusing on earning more. So look, hobbies are great, but if they're draining your wallet instead of filling it, it's time to rethink them. So instead of just spending the money on hobbies, find a way to monetize them. If you love photography, sell prints or offer mini shoots. Enjoy baking, sell treats. Wealthy people don't just cut expenses, they increase their income and invest the difference. Lastly, you're paying too much in taxes, especially in retirement. So most people don't think about taxes in retirement, but let me tell you, if you don't plan ahead, Uncle Sam is going to take a big chunk of your savings. And there are ways to create tax-free retirement income. So you keep more of what you worked so hard for. And this is where I can help. So if you want to learn how to set up yourself with tax-free retirement, let's talk. So, how many of these mistakes are you making? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to fix them and take control of your financial future, reach out. I'm Diane at moneysmartmamas.com. Don't wait to start building wealth. The best time is now. Hit that like button and subscribe for more money tips. I'll see you in the next video.